So in this video we are going to learn about the experiment number 7 to plot the root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot with the help of MATLAB command. Okay, so the mathematical procedure and the theoretical procedure for drawing the root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot we have explained in the class, and we can draw in a simple as well as the semi-log graph paper. So that particular plots, root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot, we can plot with the help of MATLAB commands also. Okay, so we will see what are the various commands related to your root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot. So this is the theory regarding your root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot. Okay, it is nothing but the explanation of each and every plots which we have discussed in our class, what are how we can draw on the semi-log graph paper. So for that, what we have to do, we will take again the help of MATLAB. So I will be going for new script. Okay, and then in this new script I will be assigning some numerator I am taking, let us say 100. Okay, and the denominator I will be taking as some array, because it will be in terms of this 1, 20 and 100. Okay, so this will be num1 and then 1. Okay, now I will be taking system1 is equal to into bracket num1 and then 1, so it will give me the output as a system. Okay, then I have to plot the Bode plot. The command for plotting the Bode plot is Bode, BODE, into bracket system 1. Okay, S whatever the things I have written over here. Okay, if I will running it, first I will save it. Okay, num1 then 1 num1 then 1 system number 1. It is giving some error over here, let me check. So we'll be rewriting over here. So I will take one variable, system number 1 is equal to tf into bracket then num1 comma then 1. So it will be saved over here. Okay, then I will write the command for drawing the Bode plot is Bode into bracket sys1 system, and I will run it. Okay, so you'll be getting Bode plot. So as you can see, there is a magnitude plot and this is a phase angle plot. Okay, so the phase, you will be having a frequency in terms of a radian per second over here, and your magnitude plot is given over here. Okay, so for any particular system, let us say it will be 10 divided by this. I can draw the Bode plot of this. Okay, it will be having this kind of a configuration. Okay, so this is your Bode plot. So simple command is your Bode and system number 1. Similarly, if I want to draw the Nyquist plot of the same transfer function, it will be the command for this is Nyquist, Nuqist. I will run it. It will be this. Okay, as I see, the polar plot is nothing but over here, and the Nyquist is the mirror image of this. Okay, I will just slightly change the value of this. Okay, so it will be this. Okay, similarly, if I am changing over here, okay, so we have taken for this particular type 1 system only the Bode plot of type 0 systems only of this Bode plot, Nyquist plot. So this will next I want to find out root locus. So the root locus, generally we are finding out k upon something, but right now we will be having some constant value, so we will be not be getting that curved graph, but we will be having some constant graph. Okay, so command for root locus is what? R locus system number 1. If I'm running it, the figure will open. These are nothing but the two poles. Two poles are going to infinity because there is a no zeros. These two poles are going to infinity at particular angle. This is calculation. Okay, it should be going in this manner, either in a curve form or in terms of an angular form. Why it is not going? Because we have defined k as constant. If the k is varying, it will be a different. Okay, if the k, let us say we are putting k is equal to 5, we will be getting a different. Okay, again it will be going in a different manner, but means the location of the poles will be a different one, but it is going in a different manner. Okay, so the command for root locus is rlocus, the command for drawing the Bode plot is Bode, and the command for drawing the Nyquist plot is Nyquist. Okay, and over here you have to define the system one. System is the one is nothing but whatever the system you are taking. Okay, so this is your experiment number 7. Okay, okay, these are the various examples of your. Okay, although it is written in this particular manual, it is the given as ABCD format, that is nothing but your state space representation. We have gone through with the help of transfer function approach. Okay, so we have taken this as a transfer function approach. R locus, Bode plot, and all this. Thank you.